Legal research and writing is likely the foundation for a successful career in law. Undoubtedly, lawyers speak and write for a living. Judges cite law articles and their opinions, and law articles are considered by the regulatory authorities in making the law, regulations, and policy. Hello and welcome to Jurisit channel. Getting article published in journals is very much essential for every law student in the present time, especially if you are looking to build your career in academics. It does have the competitive advantage. It will help you to develop your expertise. Art of writing article for publication is more than what you think. It doesn't have the fixed roadmap. Hence, doing research is all about the practical approach and flexibility of the researcher because everyone has got their own style. Now, let's see the 5 basic points to write an article. First thing first is to know the conditions of the journal or the other avenues where you are seeking to submit your article. Like you should understand the theme, you should know that what is the word limit, what should be the citation style and the other requirements. So in general, you are required to understand that what is expected from you. So you may also write these points separately so that you don't have to visit the website again and again. Second step is to identify your topic. This is the first step of your research, the identification of the problem area. Now, if theme is already given, your work is half done. You have to just trace out the topic that might be the emerging one, or it completely depends upon your choice also. On the other hand, if there is no theme given, then select the topic from your interest area or specialization and trace out the specific problem, because research is about bridging the gap between the problem and the desired solution. Now that you have got the topic, your next task is to narrow it down so that you can explore it in detail. This is a brainstorming step. Also, narrowing the scope of your topic will enable you to better determine the specific direction of your paper. In this way, you can write down the research questions that you are finding for, like whether in terms of territory jurisdiction or concept or the concerned community or particular platform. Okay, so these are the examples through which you can short down your topic. A credible source is free from bias and it is written by a trustworthy author or organization. There are a lot of sources out over the internet, and it can be hard to tell that what's credible and what's not at the first glance. And amongst them, you have to choose the right one. But how? So, for this, you can dig into your scholarly research or books or the academic journals. Even the editorial and the opinion columns in the newspaper are also helpful. Hence, the point is about the accuracy and authenticity. Moreover, you should refer the citation style to refer them accordingly. You should try to devise your article with the government data or reports for authenticity. Hence, don't rely on any resource, choose them wisely. Plagiarism has always bad outcomes, and there is no exception to it. So try to paraphrase your work, try to write in your own words. You can also try some online tools also available for this. Secondly, properly cite your source. Citing your source means that you are acknowledging your dependence on another person's ideas or words, and it will help you to distinguish your own work from that of your sources. The next point is that which software should you use to check for the plagiarism. So there are many softwares available. Some are free of cost, some are chargeable, so you can choose them accordingly. Some of them are like Grammarly is there, Pro Writing Aid is there, Turnitin is there, and be cautious while selecting the software. You can also check with your college also that whether they do provide these softwares or not. Hence, these were some basic steps. Tell us whether do you like these points, and if you want to know more about article publication, then drop your comment in the chat section box. Stay tuned with Jurisit channel to know more updates.